Welcome back to XCAR, everyone, and today we have a truly intriguing vehicle gracing our studio, the all-new Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025, a fascinating collaboration that has sparked considerable buzz in the automotive world. Now, while we'll save the deep dive into the interior for another session, today is all about the exterior, every curve, every line, every design choice that makes this vehicle a head-turner and hints at its performance capabilities. First impressions are crucial, and the Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025 makes a bold statement right off the bat. The front fascia is a striking blend of Chevrolet's muscular design language and Honda's sleek, aerodynamic sensibilities. Notice the sharp, angular headlights. They aren't just for illumination. Their narrow profile and integrated LED daytime running lights contribute to an aggressive and modern aesthetic. The way they flow into the sculpted hood lines creates a sense of dynamism, even when the car is standing still. The grille is another focal point. It's a dual-port design, a signature Chevrolet element, but it's been reinterpreted here with a more streamlined and less overtly aggressive approach. The upper portion is a slim, horizontal opening that emphasizes the car's width, while the larger lower grille hints at ample airflow for engine cooling and potentially aerodynamic efficiency. The subtle chrome accents surrounding the grille add a touch of premium feel without being ostentatious. Moving along the side profile, the Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025 showcases a well-defined character line that runs from the front fender, through the door handles, and seamlessly integrates with the taillights. This strong shoulder line gives the car a sense of solidity and forward motion. The glasshouse is generously proportioned, suggesting good visibility for the driver and passengers. Even though we aren't discussing the interior today, the exterior design clearly anticipates a spacious cabin. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, a design cue that often implies aerodynamic considerations. A lower drag coefficient can contribute to better fuel efficiency and potentially higher top speeds. Even in a vehicle that isn't necessarily marketed as a high-performance machine, the integrated spoiler at the rear edge of the roof further supports this notion, subtly managing airflow as it leaves the vehicle. Let's talk about the wheels. The Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025 features these multi-spoke alloy wheels. Their design is intricate and modern, adding to the overall premium feel of the exterior. The size and design of the wheels can also hint at the car's handling characteristics. Larger diameter wheels with lower profile tires, often an option, can suggest a sportier ride and more direct steering response, although the standard setup here appears to strike a balance between comfort and style. The door mirrors are another area where design meets functionality. They are aerodynamically shaped to reduce wind resistance and noise, and they seamlessly integrate the side repeater turn signals, a small but important detail that enhances both safety and the overall visual flow of the car. The body-colored housings ensure they blend harmoniously with the rest of the exterior. Now, let's move to the rear of the Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025. This is where the collaboration between Chevrolet and Honda becomes particularly evident. The taillights are a distinctive design element. They feature a horizontal layout that stretches across a significant portion of the rear, incorporating LED technology for a crisp and modern illumination signature. The design seems to borrow cues from both manufacturers, offering a unique and recognizable look. The rear bumper is cleanly sculpted, with subtle creases and lines that add visual interest without being overly busy. The placement of the license plate recess and the subtle lower diffuser element contribute to a sense of stability and a planted stance. Even though we aren't discussing performance figures, the exterior design suggests a vehicle that feels grounded and secure on the road. Let's delve a bit into the fictional history of this collaboration. Imagine a scenario where both Chevrolet and Honda, recognizing the evolving automotive landscape and the benefits of shared expertise, decided to pool their resources to create a vehicle that blends American muscle and design flair with Japanese engineering precision and efficiency. The Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025 could be the culmination of years of collaborative effort, taking the best elements from both brands' design philosophies. Perhaps early concept sketches explored more radical departures, but the final design we see here represents a harmonious convergence. Considering Chevrolet's heritage, we can see subtle nods to their design language in the bold front fascia and the strong shoulder line, elements that resonate with their history of producing powerful and visually assertive vehicles. Simultaneously, the sleekness, the attention to aerodynamic detail, and the overall sense of refined execution speak to Honda's renowned engineering prowess and their focus on efficient and aesthetically pleasing designs. The Jazz name itself, while familiar to Honda enthusiasts in some markets, takes on a new dimension in this collaborative context, perhaps signifying a blend of agility and versatility. transition back to a full view of the car. Host. Now, let's explore some of the key exterior features in more detail. The paint finish on this model, a deep metallic blue, showcases the car's lines beautifully. The quality of the paintwork is evident, with a deep gloss and even application, suggesting a high level of manufacturing and attention to detail. The availability of various color options will, of course, allow buyers to personalize their vehicle to their taste. The panoramic sunroof, which extends almost the entire length of the roof, is another notable exterior feature. While it certainly enhances the interior ambiance, its presence on the exterior contributes to a more open and airy feel for the vehicle as a whole. The dark glass contrasts nicely with the body color, adding a touch of sophistication. Notice the subtle badging throughout the exterior. The Chevrolet and Honda emblems are tastefully integrated, signifying the partnership without being overly prominent. The model designation, Jazz, is presented in a modern and elegant font, further contributing to the vehicle's contemporary aesthetic. The design of the door handles is also worth mentioning. They are body-colored and seamlessly integrated into the door panels, contributing to the clean and uncluttered look of the sides. Their ergonomic design suggests ease of use, a small but important detail that speaks to the overall user-centric approach of this vehicle. Looking at the stance of the Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025, it appears well proportioned and balanced. The wheelbase seems to provide a stable and planted feel, while the overhangs, both front and rear, appear to be carefully managed for optimal aesthetics and potentially maneuverability. The overall impression is of a vehicle that is both stylish and practical. The fuel filler door is neatly integrated into the rear fender. Its design is flush with the bodywork, maintaining the smooth lines of the exterior. Similarly, the placement of sensors for parking assist and other features is discreet and doesn't detract from the overall visual appeal. These small details demonstrate a commitment to cohesive design. Even the design of the wiper blades and the way they sit on the windshield has been considered. They are designed to be aerodynamic, minimizing wind noise and ensuring optimal visibility in various weather conditions. It's these subtle engineering touches that often go unnoticed but contribute significantly to the overall driving experience. In conclusion, the exterior of the Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025 is a compelling blend of two distinct automotive philosophies. It manages to be both bold and refined, muscular and sleek. The design elements hint at a vehicle that is not only visually appealing but also aerodynamically efficient and potentially offers a balanced driving experience. While we haven't touched upon the interior or performance figures today, the exterior design certainly sets high expectations. What are your thoughts on the exterior design of the Chevrolet Honda Jazz 2025? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to XCAR for our upcoming deep dive into the interior and, of course, our full driving review. Thanks for watching.